Hey, wait. So if you are building website with Elementor, you need to see this because want to show of your awesome team section in your website, and you don't need to use any extra plugin. So this video is for you because today's video I will show you how to design the clean and professional theme section. It actually fast, smooth, and fully responsive. So why this team section is rock? So why? So look at this, look at the every team member. So look at the team member gets their own neat card. Their profile photo is rounded and perfectly centered and clean. Below is his name and designation and social media's icon, and it's completely grid based and mobile friendly and built with actually nothing but Elementor. I have used only Elementor and Elementor Pro. So the second part is it's action. So look at work through the house. Look smooth hover when you hover over the each card, and it's perfectly showing the smooth shadow over here, each item. Actually, no mess, no lag. Whether if you are designer or developer, DIY business owner, this layout just rock. It's perfect for construction team, digital agency, freelancer, or even a school or medical website. You don't need to do any extra plugin and any custom coding. So that's the perfect thing, right? That's actually the important stuff. So this build completely Elementor Pro. So if you are a freelancer working on the website, or beginner, or if you are beginner learning WordPress on agency website, building with team, actually you need to building a team section for your website. So you can copy this layout and paste it again and again. Just update your photo, name, and link it. So I have already uploaded more team like this one, all the team section, and I provide you guys that is Elecraft. I have already made this website. In this website I have already uploaded lots of section. Like if I go to the hero section, and I have all of hero section. So when you create a designer, when you create a website, you just go to my page that is hero, and here just copy whichever actually you want. You just copy it and paste it to your any desired website, and trust me, your client will give you the 5-star review, because I already got it the 5-star review from my client. So that's actually very important stuff. So when you actually purchase this website, this product, you have to see all my design, and if you're satisfied, you can purchase the design. I have already uploaded some of video on my YouTube channel, that is Elecraft. It's particularly especially for the Elecraft product. These are actually this is W3 Learner website, but this channel is dedicated for Elementor design. Here I have already made a free video of. Here I will upload our more video of tricks and tricks about design. Here is a 20-minute plus all video are I have already designed a scratch. Like I have already made this another about, and here the card. These are actually maybe a contact form, and these are the 404 page, and this is a modern pricing section. And this pricing section I have already shown you. These are the pricing section. I have already made it a complete free, and it's from scratch. And you can just go to my this channel, and here you can find those tips and tricks from scratch. So don't worry. So if you are actually need this all on package, you just go to my description. You can check it out in my description box, and also check it out my comment below. And if you don't purchase the file from my link, you just directly contact with me, and I will assist you very shortly. And I have already uploaded my WhatsApp number and also email. You got it very easily. Just go to any video of, under the description. You will found all those stuffs. So yeah, so if you are actually new, if you are ready to level up your design game and team section, this is the team section is fast, actually simple and powerful. No plugin, no headache, and no custom code, and no extra why actually you don't need to pay any plugin for this. So yeah, if you want to more clean and Elementor design with this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you actually need all those sections, you can directly contact with me, or you can purchase from my website. So thank you very much.